Thank you, and welcome this evening. I'll just introduce myself, why I'm called Dr. Mats. Back home in a local rag, which gets 55,000 people buy this local rag every day. And on a Thursday, they have a section called Top Class, which is an education section. And I write a column in there, and have been doing for the last 7 years. So I write a column called Dr. Mats. So the newspaper christened me Dr. Mats, and so that's why I use that title. If you noticed in the title, it's the Randomness Show. And so that's what it is. It's a show. I'm very interested in randomness and the idea of non-pattern and being able to try and find that. I'll just read you a little bit. The philosopher Francis Bacon said, "The human understanding, once it has adopted an opinion, collects instances that confirm it. And though contrary instances may be more numerous, either does not notice them, else rejects them, in order that their opinion remains unshaken." In your day-to-day, as you were going about, I was sending out some vibes into the air about certain special numbers. You might have noticed that. As you've been wandering about, going to work, you might have had that feeling that some number's been coming to mind. It's probably got something to do with red as well, actually. So that red number. Maybe just take a few seconds just to think through your day. Just see if you can imagine a red number somewhere. Yeah. What I have here is I have cards with the names of the numbers up to 10, 1 to 10. I also have cards here in a pattern. I have 10 cards here. Yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pass these cards around. We can start over here. And what I'd like you to do is to vote for the number that you've seen today. So maybe if you thought it was number 5, you just put a 1 on number 5. Or you can do whatever else you like. But vote in some way for the number that's coming to mind now. The red number. Thanks. Do you want to have a little browse through? Then just pass it round, yes? And then it'll come all the way back round. We'll come back to that. No, I take the whole bunch, look through, and then what number today? Red number. Whichever one you think, yeah. And then put a little mark on it, and then pass it to, and then put a mark, and then pass it round, yeah? Okay? Yeah. So hopefully everybody will have made a mark, and then it'll come back to me. And that will be our selection. I'd like to have 8 volunteers. I've got 2 already. Thank you, gentlemen. Do you want to stand up? Oh yes, take a quick swig. It's only going to be a few minutes, so don't worry. Take a few cards. Any cards? Thank you. Sir, would you like to be a volunteer? Thank you. Come and take a few cards. Stand up here. Madam? Thank you. Sir? You just put your Guinness down, you'll be fine. It'll only be a few minutes. It's harmless. There's no that horrible maths involved or anything. Thank you, sir. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, thank you. Excellent. 7. One more? Yeah, thank you. Now, remember in the pub tonight, and when you're down the pub, you want to make new friends. Yes? So this little bit of magic here is gonna make some people more friendly together. So what I'd like you to do, you've all got a selection of cards. I want you to put them on the floor. We're going to put a line of 8 along here. So I don't mind who puts that line of 8 down and what order they put it. So maybe one of you sort of put a few cards. Yes, you want to start? So we're going to make a line of 8. And then underneath that, so how many we got there? Oh, got 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, You sir, do you want to come and put some more underneath to make another line of 8? Any way you like, that's right. Yeah. Another line of 8. Yes, thank you, sir. And then underneath that, another line of 8. So we've got a random shuffled deck of cards. You can do this at home if you want. Just take a deck of cards, give them a shuffle, lay them out, lines of 8, and another line of 8. Thank you. And you guessed it, and another line of 8. And we should, have we got a few left? Yep. Oh, maybe we'll make another line of 8. Brilliant. Now be very careful, health and safety here. Very careful when you walk on the cards, because even though they have got stuff on the back, this is a slippery floor and they will move. We should have a few left actually, because I have got a full deck here. Yes, or can you just pop those down the bottom? I think maybe we've got doubles somewhere here actually, because we should have 52. Oh no, there's 4. We need one more card actually, but it should be somewhere here. Okay. All right, maybe we've got 2 stuck together, but well, we'll cope. Okay. Now, I know it's going to be a bit of a squeeze, but I'd like you to pick a card on the top row and stand on that card. Yeah, you might want to spread them out slightly and just squeeze in. Remember, I told you it's going to make you friendlier, this. Much more friendly activity here. Madam, you're in the middle there, aren't you? What's your name?
Christine.
Christine, excellent. Now, Christine, you're going to decide what everybody else is going to do, and you're going to teach them how they're going to move through these cards, yes? We're going to play a game a bit like Snakes and Ladders. We're going to wind our way down through the cards, like you would in a Snakes and Ladders game, yes? And the value of the card we land on is how far you're going to move. Okay. So would you like to move that way, or would you like to move that way? Your choice.
This way.
You like to go that way, right? So what do you stand on? You stand on a 6, so you have to move 6 cards along, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're on the 4, okay. Yes? Now, very carefully, because remember they're a bit slippy, I'd like you to move 4 cards along. Then she's on a 2, so she's going to move 2. And then she's on a 3. And then 5. All right, landed on a picture card. Picture cards are worth 1, so you just make 1 more move. Okay. Now a 4. Now 7, is it? Yeah. Just nice and slowly, because I don't want you to fall over. Is that another 7? Oh gosh. It's a pattern here, is it? Which one are you on now? Oh, the king. Just 1 for the king, remember? 1 for the ace. And then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then just 1 more for the king, isn't it? So you stand on the 5. You didn't quite make it to the end, but you got to the 5, yeah?
Okay.
Now, I'd like you to just wait there.
Right.
And your friends here are going to come to you.
Okay.
So, sir, I'd like you to head off. You're on a 1, aren't you? So you move on to the 9 and then count through. Just move nice and slowly, because I don't want anybody to fall over. But then just count in your head. Sir, do you want to follow him? You're on a 10, so you would have to move 10, wouldn't you? Yes, sir, do you want to follow me? You're on a 1 and then a 10. And then, yes, sir, do you want to follow him down? What are you on? You're on a 10 as well, gosh. And then you're on an 8, so count it. And then you're on a 6, so if you count down through.
This is genius.
Remember, you've got to stand on the, when you get to a point where you can't go any further, just stand on that card. Are you getting some new friends there? Oh. Remember, just squeeze in nice and tight, because remember, you're on the same card. Which one should you be on that? Which one are you on? You're on the 5, is it? Are you all on the 5? Yeah, all right. So why don't you just give each other all a big hug? And you got your new friends there. Thank you very much. See, it's a strange thing. A pack of cards actually does make the world a much friendlier place. Surprising, isn't it? Don't you think it's surprising? Ooh, that one doesn't move. Very surprising. Let me just cluster these together a bit. Oh, how's that piece of paper doing? How's that redness doing? Oh, yes, it's doing well. Thank you. Is it coming around, is it? Oh, that's good. So have you all thought of your red number? Yes? Brilliant. What was your red number, madam? Yes, you. 6. All right. Very good. What I need next is I need just 3 volunteers, maybe different if some people from the back. Madam, do you want to come? Because, 6, it's a special number, isn't it? Anybody else from the back like to come? 3 volunteers. Remember, no sums involved. Thank you. And one more. Brilliant. Actually, can you help us first? Could you pick up sort of a third of the pack each? Careful with them, because I don't want you to cut yourself or anything. And just pick them up and give them a little bit of a shuffle. Right? I'm going to give them a bit of a shuffle. I like cards because it's a random thing, a pack of cards, isn't it? 52 cards, 4 different suits. It's a lovely randomizing sort of thing. No way I can know what's going on here, yes? Just, we've had them all over the floor. Now we're randomizing them again. Mix them all up. Agreed? Don't worry. So you've got 3 piles. If you want to sort of, you could be the holder of the cards. Excellent. So you can put yours on top or underneath or whatever. Yeah? Brilliant. Me and you are going to have a little competition now. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Excellent. So we're going to see what's going to happen. If you imagine, turn them upside down so we can't see. We're going to deal out the cards. So you imagine we're going to go 1, 2, 3. We're just going to keep dealing out the cards until one of us gets our pattern. Okay. Now you're wondering what our pattern might be, aren't you? Well, your pattern could be black, black, red. And if you got black, black, red, that would be your trick. You would win that, yes? If you didn't have that, and say I had black, red, red, and the first time it turned up was there, I would win that, yeah? Yes? Actually, do you want to just sort of slot those back in somewhere? Yeah? So I've put on the wall here some of the possible 3-card selections that you could have. Actually, I don't think I've got them all yet, have I? I've got black, 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 red, black. Anybody think of any others?
Yeah, red, red, red.
Oh, thank you. Red, 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 we could have.
Sorry, black, red, red.
Red, red, red. What else could we have? We've got black, black, red. So that could come up. And then we've got red, black, black. Which other one could we have?
It's black, red, red, Steve.
Thank you.
I've been staring.
I'm going for audience participation here. All right. Well, sorry, did anybody get that? Yes. It was, what was it? It was black, red, red. Okay. You got hecklers in the audience. I don't know. Just because he's a murderous person doesn't mean he can heckle us. Actually. Yeah. So we've got these extra ones as well. Yeah. So we've got all those possible choices. Is the one that just grabbed you that you think you'd like to pick as your choice?
Red, black, red.
Red. Where can I put these down? Which one? Red, black, red. Oh, thank you. Okay. Right. Sir, can you just hold that for her? So if you hold that up, and so we've got red, black, red. Why did you think? Did you just like that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just thought It's a nice selection. Yeah? Okay. Yeah, it's quite nice, isn't it? Would anybody else have gone for that one? You can show with a show of hands, or? Yeah, it's quite a nice selection. All right, so which one am I going to pick? So what, you've gone for that one. I don't know, actually. Which one will I go for? I think I might go for the one that's above it, actually. I might go for this one. Yeah, I might go for this one, I think. Yeah, it's quite nice. Oh, sorry, sir. Could you stand here? I didn't realise I need an extra person just running out of hands, aren't I? Really? Right, so that's yours. Oh, actually, if you stand over here, then they'll know that you're me, won't they? Yes? Oh, again, in the right order. So remember, you're doing a red, and then a black, and then a red, yeah? And I'm doing, oh, sorry.
Red, red, black.
Oh, yes, I'm doing red, red, black, right? Actually, so it's a bit confusing here, because which one of yours is coming up first?
Red.
The red's coming up first,
Yeah.
and then the black,
And then the red.
and then the red. Yes. All right. So I'm gonna have that first, actually. So mine that coming up first is the red, and then the black.
Do you have any black, red, red?
No, I don't. He's advising us. Excellent. If you think that would be better, do you think?
I don't know. It's red, red, black from my round face.
All right, that's okay. All right, okay. So there's 8 different possibilities. They're all completely random. Could be anything, couldn't there? Agreed?
Yep.
Do you want to? Will we start turning over the cards and show people? So what have we got? Black, black, red, 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 red. Wait a minute, we'll put these down because we're running out of space. So we've got lots of reds. Another red.
Black.
Oh!
Ah.
Red, red, black. Is that mine?
Yep.
Oh, well, that's mine, that one. Excellent. That's one for me.
Black.
Black,
Red.
red, black. Oh, is that yours? Oh, no.
No.
Not quite. Nearly.
Black.
Black,
Black.
black, red, red. Oh, oh, look, that's mine again, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Excellent. Red, 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 red. Gosh, a lot of reds. Oh. Oh, wait a minute, that's me again. Sorry, I just drifted. Look, it's red, red, black. That's me again, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sorry. Should pay more attention here. Black, red. I can sense you must be winning soon. Oh. Wait a minute. Red, red, black. That's me again. It's a bit surprising, this, isn't it? Red, 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 red. Oh, black. Oh, that's me again. Oh, gosh, this is surprising. Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe when we play the, yes, you might get this one. Oh, sorry. Maybe when we play the next time for money, because that's the sort of thing you might do down the pub. Oh, oh, look, it's me again. Oh, I'm sure you'll get the next one. Hopefully. Black, 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 red. Oh, look. Yes. Is that you?
No.
Oh, close. Oh, I thought that was yours there for a minute. Red. Is that not you? No, it's not. Oh, oh gosh. Oh, there. Look at that. Excellent. Oh, round of applause. Look, you got one. Isn't that good? Lovely. Ah, red. Oh.
There you go.
Sorry, that's mine again. I'm sure there must be another one for you, mustn't there? Somewhere. Oh, close. Oh, nobody wins that one. So do you want to count how many you've got? And I'll count how many I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 7. How many have you got?
1.
All right. I think I win. Thank you very much. Thank you. Round of applause. Thanks very much. Cheers. Thanks. Surprising, isn't it? What do you think? Oh, how are those numbers doing? Are they coming around? Well, everybody done a little bit of tallying? Actually, remember when you were tallying, you have to remember that you have to think about during the day. Did anything come to mind? Because I have been sending out vibes all day about red numbers. Has anybody met any at work today or anything? Red numbers? Yes, you have. Yes? What sort of red number have you met today at work?
Oh, I met 5 red numbers at work today.
Did you really? So which one did you decide to pick?
Well, I decided to pick one 56, but then that didn't fit into your scheme. So I added
Very sorry.
Together and got 11. That fit into just your scheme. So I added them together again and got 2.
I got 2. Oh, so you're one of the 2 people.
I'm on 2 people.
Oh, actually, you're one of the 2 people, because only 2 people got 2, so that's that one, yes. And only 2 people picked 1. For some reason, they weren't too popular. 3 people picked 10. That's quite good. Oh, sorry, some more 2s. 8 for the 8, 2 people picked that. We seem to have, would you say, looks like 3's a winner, doesn't it? To me? Looks like it is, doesn't it?
Yeah.
5's close, actually.
Very close.
Yeah, 5's quite close, but I think 3 looks like it's the majority. Yes? Yes, can we have our 3 people who put your hands up? Or 3's, or a few 3's, some hidden 3's as well. Didn't like to, pick 3. All right. Okay, so 3. Remember that red 3, and that was our random majority decision. Yes? So if we go 1, 2, 3, and we pick the card up and turn it over, we get a red circle, which is quite surprising, isn't it? I think that's quite surprising. If you can't see at the back, there's some different patterns here. Yes? Quite surprising. So let's just check, because at the minute some of you are thinking it's not that surprising, because maybe on the back of all the crosses are red circles. So let's just have a little look and check. So on the back of this one, there's a blue circle. On the back of this one, a blue circle. It's getting a bit surprising, isn't it? On the back of this, a blue circle. And on the back of this one, a blue circle. Thank you very much. Randomness, it's a bit surprising.